I'm going to take and pry this little green piece off like this and lift it. Oh, that one came too. Let's try it over here. Do it on this one. Get it off. Oh, I just got to do it on all of them, and then I'll take very gently pry the last one off, and there we go. That tore apart, I took and I just covered the middle part with some tin foil. Being careful here, I had to rip the tin foil and wrap it around, but I think it's going to be okay for spray painting. So here I'm finishing up my little bird feeder. I got my bird feed in the back here, and my feeder. I'm going to try to decorate it, just simple decorations with some twine. And what I'm going to do too is I'm going to take now and give it like a fake or a faux enamel finish with some black Sharpie pens. If you don't use the Sharpie pens, you could also use a black paint pen. I didn't have a black paint pen in my stash, so I grabbed a couple of these Sharpies. All I'm going to do is trace it all around the outside edge like this. Just to give it a little bit of a finish, so it doesn't look like a plain white painted dollar store bird feeder. So I guess what I can do is I can go around, and I'm going to do it too. Forgot, I'm just going to do it around the edge of this plate as well. I don't know if you can see it on the camera or not, because I can't really tell. But I'm just going around my entire bird feeder here, and I'm going to outline it. It's really easy to do because it just got the edge of the plate. Do that all the way around. I'll take if you have a little spot like the one that I've got right here, when you're done, just take a Mr. Clean sponge and wipe it off. It'll come right off. There we go. There. Now next I'm going to take and I'll fill it. Go ahead and fill it with some bird seed. Take this off, put it to the side. On top. I'm going to take in the top of this here, I'm going to make this black as well. I am not crazy, I'll be honest, I'm not crazy with the finish I got using spray paint. I think if I were to do this again, I would use Zinsser what is it called? Zinsser 123 primer. And then I would finish it with some Fusion mineral paint. Now, once I'm off camera, once I'm done here, I'll go around and make this as perfect as I can. Just fill it in. But again, it doesn't have to be absolutely perfect because it's just supposed to look like worn enamel. Looks pretty good, actually. I'm going to take, I thought maybe just right here at the top, I'll go ahead and I'm going to cut myself a little bit of a ribbon of some twine and my very favorite tie, which is this, really like this black macrame cord. I don't know how long that is. I'll give myself about 18 inches, I guess. I'm going to go ahead and cut some off. I'll cut this off. Super simple. I'm just going to tie a ribbon here. I think it's cute. It might not be as cute as that $85 one I saw in the gift shop, but for $5, I think it looks amazing. Anyway, hope you like it. I'll put on a tree. Once I get it out on the tree, I'll take some still photos for you. Okay, bye.